This is a good long trade opportunity.
Well,
So the thing that I've been getting confused on lately and trying to work on is like I took 2 off on this trade, but where should my stop be right now? I still have it at the 80 for my last one.
oh no, you're 5 points below.
4180 is
I'm
where my
sorry.
stop is. Well, my entry
Oh.
was 8125.
Good job. Yeah, I would say I like to move it up after like 3 or 4 points to at least break even. But if it hasn't moved up that high, then I would leave it because you can always get your stop taken out if you tighten it too quickly.
I know that's what I've gotten burns on that a few times. Like I move it up too fast
Yeah,
and I get
it's,
wicked out.
yeah, that's why sometimes I'm just like, now we'll just let it run its course for a little bit.
But Jeff, it went to 85. I mean, are you willing to give up that much?
Well, I took one off at 2 points and another one off at 3 points, and then I've got my last one at 88.
Yeah, but she's talking on your stop loss.
Yeah, so that should be a break even then.
It should be at least break even, if not more.
I would say so. Absolutely.
I'd
Yeah,
pull
like
at
3 or
least
4 points, right?
probably
Okay, so I'll put it at
Yeah.
break even plus 1.
at least that.
Plus 1 tick.
Yeah,
How much lots do you have?
I'm just doing 3.
Oh, okay.
You've already
Okay,
pulled profit. You've already pulled profit on the first 2.
Yep.
I'd move that somewhere around probably what, 82.50, 83.
Yeah, I'd get at least
Your
point.
stop loss.
Yeah, I'd get at least a point on that last one.
83 quarter.
That's what I would do.
Yeah,
Take some coins.
because what she's talking about, Jeff, is if you got your 5 points over what your stop loss is, are you willing to lose 5 points for your stop loss?
Right. I get you.
I mean, you're already profitable right here, and you can put it, break even plus 1 or 2 ticks, but move it up another full point or 2 and take the money off.
Yeah, because I'm trying to balance it of where do I get wicked out? You know what I mean? And then where do I maximize my profits? I'm trying to figure all that out.
You know, the thing is, every day is a different day. Every price action is going to give you different scenarios. So what you have to think about, where am I going to get wicked out? No. What you want to think about is, am I going to protect my stop loss, or am I going to protect my money that I've already made? That's your number one priority, not where am I going to get wicked out. You don't know, because it's different every single day. So if you got in at 81 and a quarter and the market is up 85, that's 4 points. I'm not willing to lose $200 on a stop loss, especially when I'm in profit already. I'm going to move that bad boy up to a point at least.
Okay,
So
gotcha.
I guess it's a good thing to have, though. Jerome said David sounds so. Sorry, I just read that now. It's a good. I guess it's a good problem to have. Where like,
Definitely a good problem to have.
Right. Yeah, it's good to be able to get to that point in your trading
Yeah.
where you can start figuring this part out. Yeah.
Yep, but that's absolutely right. You don't want to be wasting money when you could just take the money off the table, or at least half of it. You just when you see $200, you're willing to lose all $200. That's a rough one. It's like take at least 100 off the table or 50 off the table.
Yeah.
If it comes
Yeah,
back
it
down.
can be a heartbreaker to be up four points or whatever, and then have it come all the way back and take you out for a -5 ticks.
Definitely a heartbreaker. So
Yeah.
that's what you want to think about.
That falls into that greed category.
Yeah.
Greed
Yeah.
will eat you every time.
Oh, it'll get you.